Hello everyone, I'm Mike Settles and this is What's Up. The Historic Ironwood Theatre is in the midst of a summer packed with great movies, musical acts, stand-up comedy, and much more. Some of those performances are serving as fundraisers to maintain and upgrade elements of the near-century-old theatre. Here to tell us more about the summer offerings at the Ironwood Theatre is Bruce Greenhill. Bruce, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us, Mike.
I tell you what, I saw some of the events you have coming up, and there is something for everyone, young and old alike.
There really is. We're very excited. We have a young man, Tim Messon, who's a great keyboardist and loves our Barton pipe organ, so he's doing a fundraiser. He's bringing in some great local musicians performing with him, and they do a wonderful concert. That's coming up on July 27. Tickets are available online at ironwoodtheatre.net. It's not a pipe organ concert, it's a show of a diverse range of music from a bunch of great musicians on stage, but the funds support the maintenance of our Barton pipe organ.
And that's not all, you're also looking at upgrading your rigging through another fundraiser.
Yes, that's true. We have the Janisot brothers coming in. They're going to do a little tribute to the rock and roll, little Beatles, a little Queen, Fleetwood Mac, Billy Joel, I think. And those funds are going to be contributed to a project that we're hoping to tackle January, February next year. We're going to be replacing our rigging system, the system that flies in sets and lights and all of those things. Ours is almost 100 years old, relies on hemp ropes and sandbags, and we want to replace that with a modern counterweight system. So these fundraisers are important to our ability to maintain the theatre.
Well, and those are just two events you have coming up. There is, again, a slew of events in the months ahead that you're going to want to check out. There is no better time to check it out in this historic venue and all it contributes culturally to Ironwood and Gogebic County. For details on upcoming performances, give the theater a call or visit their website. The box office is open Monday through Friday, noon to 4, and that phone number is 906-932-0618. And again, as Bruce mentioned, the website is ironwoodtheatre.net. Bruce Greenhill, thank you for joining us today. Have a great summer. I am Mike Settles, and that's What's Up.